Every second, more than 10,000 Coca-Cola beverages are consumed around the world. But how is this iconic drink made?
Today, we go inside a modern Coca-Cola production facility.
Despite its simple taste, Coca-Cola relies on precise chemistry, strict sourcing, and extreme consistency.
Water makes up over 90% of Coca-Cola. Every drop is purified to exact standards. Before production begins, every ingredient is tested for purity, safety, and consistency. This stage creates the syrup, the foundation of Coca-Cola's flavor. Modern production leaves nothing to chance. Every ratio is digitally monitored. Once mixed, the syrup travels through kilometers of stainless steel piping.
Carbonation gives Coca-Cola its signature bite and refreshing feel.
Temperature is critical. Too warm or too cold can alter carbonation levels. Automation ensures every bottle tastes exactly the same.
Modern bottling lines fill up to 2,000 containers per minute.
The Coca-Cola label is one of the most recognized designs on Earth.
Every bottle is inspected before shipment.
From factories, Coca-Cola travels to every corner of the globe. Behind every sip is science, precision, and people.
That's how Coca-Cola is made. Rain, yeah, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more cinematic AI factory documentaries.